Hello everyone, welcome back to channel Tech Guru. In today's video, we'll do the Geekbench Mark 5 comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Realme GT. So Oneplus Nord 2 has got the Dimensity 1200 and the Realme GT has got the Snapdragon 888 chipset. Let's see friends how much difference we can actually expect between these both phones regarding the Geekbench Mark 5 single core and the multi-core. That is what my main purpose of making this video at this moment. Let me clear everything from the background before starting the text. So right now all the apps are completely clean in both phones as you can see. And one quick note, during this process I'm trying to use the high performance mode in the Oneplus Nord 2. Because if you use the high performance mode, the performance will be boosted a lot in the Oneplus Nord 2 friends. In my experience of using 40 days, this is the one thing I did understand. If you want to improve the performance, try to use the high performance mode. But this will drain a lot of battery and generate heat as well. That's another side effect. But in case if you want to know how much high scores, this is only the way to find out. Right now all the apps are completely clean from the background in both phones as you can see friends. Absolutely. Let me open the Geekbench 5 in between both phones and let's start this test doing in its both devices. It's the Geekbench 5 application which is ready at this moment. And you can see the clock speeds. So what type of clock speeds they are having gigahertz as you can see. So 4 core at 1.8 gigahertz and 3 cores at 2.42 and 1 core at 3 gigahertz in the Oneplus Nord 2 and 2.84 gigahertz in the Realme GT with the Snapdragon 888 processor. You can clearly see the difference how it is. And let's try to use even the GT mode as well. Let's see what happens if you try to use a GT mode. So it's the GT mode which is present in the Realme GT obviously. So because we are trying to use high performance mode, let's use even GT mode. So what makes difference? Let's start the test friends without wasting any time. 1, 2, 3. So both phones, the test has begun exactly at the same time. Let's see which phone will be able to finish this Geekbench Mark 5 test very soon. And the main reason is because a lot of users, they want to know so how much difference we can actually expect within the Dimensity 1200 and the Snapdragon 888 chipset. So is there kind of huge difference or not? So how much difference? That's my main focus of testing the Geekbench Mark 5. So in case if you want me to do any other videos, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to do those kind of videos very soon in another video friends. So stay tuned for those interesting topics. And meanwhile, you just need to follow the playlists which are created for the each and every smartphone in my channel. As you can see, all the playlists will give you the clear idea what is going on with the mobile phones. So I'm going to be back after some time. Right now as you can see friends, the Snapdragon 888 processor was able to finish the Geekbench 5 faster, slightly faster than the Dimensity 1200, and it was able to uploading the results as you can see in the Realme GT, and it's done. We got the final result in the Snapdragon 888 chipset finally. Let's see how much difference we can actually expect between the Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870. So we'll get to know in the few seconds, and we got really good score. So 1130, that's really impressive score, and 3603, not bad. And we got final score in the Oneplus Nord 2. You can see the clear difference what is happening. Single core, you can see the difference is there, 850 versus 1130 and 3255 versus 3603. This is the comparison between both phones, and even I'll try to show you the previous results what I got in the Oneplus Nord 2. So just to give a clear idea what is happening. So what is the highest score in the OnePlus Nord 2? I did get about close to 3398. It's kind of 3400, try to consider. So 3400 and 3600 as you can see, kind of round figure if you try to do. And maximum highest single core I got is I think 857. Yes, this is the same core. This is the same score which I got highest so far in the OnePlus Nord 2. If you don't use high performance mode, the performance will be definitely down. As you can see, completely down. The multi-core will decrease if you don't use any kind of high performance mode. This is the result of not using any kind of high performance modes. As you can see clearly friends, that is the reason in the beginning I did say high performance mode means a lot in the OnePlus Nord 2 than any other smartphone. I mean Realme phones, even they do have the high performance mode, but still it doesn't affect much, but OnePlus Nord 2 will impact a lot. And thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. This is a quick comparison between both phones, and wait for my upcoming channels, upcoming videos, and don't forget to follow the playlist which are created for the each and every smartphone. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.